how to get more accessories on Roblox. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get more accessories on Roblox. To add accessories to your Roblox profile picture, start by opening a web browser and navigating to roblox.com. From there, click on your profile located at the top right corner, followed by the menu in the top left corner. Click on the Avatar button to access the Avatar Editor, where you will find a range of accessories to choose from. Click on the Accessories button to view more options, including head, neck, shoulder, front, back, and waist gear. Some of the accessories are free, while others require payment. To purchase any accessory, simply click on the Buy button. Next, proceed to buy the Roblox item. Once you have made the purchase, you can use the accessory on your profile picture from the Roblox store. There are many accessories available for purchase, allowing you to customize your Roblox profile picture to your liking. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.